Hello guys, welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to store text in Python. So when programming in Python, text is stored as strings. So we can declare strings using, there are three ways of declaring strings. We can use single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. So let's first take a look at how to declare a string using a single quote. As you can see, hello world is displayed when we print the message, variable. So the problem that arises with storing strings in single quotes is that some words have apostrophes. So let's say if a word has an apostrophe, then Python will get confused. Let's take a look at that. As you can see, guys, that Python prints a syntax error, invalid syntax. So this means that Python cannot understand what this variable is saying. So there are two ways of fixing this. The first one is we can use a backslash. We can put a backslash, as you can see. And then if you put a backslash, then Python can now recognize this as an apostrophe and then prints out John. And then the next method is we can use double quotes. So let's say you want to store a string in Python, you can also use double quotes. As you can see, hello world is printed is displayed on our screen when you print the message variable. So the next thing is we want to fix this apostrophe. So the second method I said is that we can use double quotes. As you can see, Python recognizes this as an apostrophe. And then the other challenge that arises when storing strings using double quotes is that, let's say we want to include what someone said, and then we want to put double quotes. Python 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 will not recognize this. So let's take a look at that. So you can see an invalid syntax is displayed. So Python cannot recognize these these double quotes. So how can we fix this? The only way we can fix this is by using triple quotes or multi strings. So let's take a look at that. As you can see that now Python recognizes this as opening and closing quotes. And then the other thing with multi, like the other thing with triple quotes is they allow us to create multi strings. So let's say we want to include like a sentence. Sorry. As you can see, a multi-line string is created. So strings can also be treated as arrays. So let's say we have our string message, which is equal to, let's say, hello. So we can access the first the first letter by using the index 0, as we all know that arrays start from 0. As you can see, H is printed. We can also print the second letter. And that's what we do when we're accessing arrays. As you can see, E is printed on the screen. And then we can also print out third letter, which is L. So the other thing is there are also methods which can be used to manipulate strings, or that can be used with strings. Let's say, for example, we want to print the length of the string. So Python has inbuilt methods for doing that. For example, our message hello world. So if you want to know the length of this string, we can use the length method, and then passing message, we passing, and then we passing the message as the argument, and then you can see that length 11 is returned. So if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So also Python also recognizes this white space. This white space is also recognized as 1. So as you can see, this is 5, and then 5, which is 10, and then with this white space, it's 11. We can also use another method to remove white spaces from the beginning or the end of the sentence. So to do this, we use the strip method. Okay. See, let's leave space at the beginning and the end. As we can see that the white spaces will be removed from the beginning or the end. And then the other method we can also use with Python is the strip method. It is the lower method which returns the string in lowercase. So let's say So let's say if we have this string which is capital letters, then sorry, then we'll print out message with the lower method. As you can see that it returns lower. As you can see that it returns lower. It returns lower cases, and then we can also use the uppercase, the upper method to return upper cases. As you can see, this returns uppercase letters. And then we can also use the replace method to replace a certain letter in the string. For example, let's replace H with the Z. As you can see that H is replaced by Z. So thank you guys for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe, and also click the notification bell on so you can receive more videos that I'll be uploading each and every week. Thank you guys for watching. Cheers.